Welcome to this GrowthWheel online test drive. In this test drive, you will learn to add financial information and view ratios in the financial overview. Select a client from the My Clients menu. Go to the menu Financial Overview. You will automatically be taken to the Revenue tab. Click Plus Year to add the current year and last year. Now add revenue numbers. Notice how the charts change automatically as you add numbers to the fields under the 4 quarters. You may also want to add numbers under Export Revenue. Click the blue button to download the revenue page with charts and numbers. Click the tab Profit. Click Plus Year to add the current and past year. Add gross profit. Operating profit, and net profit for the current and past year. Note on the right side that the margin is automatically calculated. Click the blue button to download the profit data. Click the tab Cost Structure. Note that it defaults to the current year. Click the plus Direct Cost button and select a category of direct costs. Notice that it informs you and the client that the data added will be immediately accessible to the people invited to the platform. Add in additional direct cost numbers. Now click on the plus operational costs and select relevant categories and add in those numbers. Notice how the costs are added up on the screen. When you're finished, click the blue button to download a cost sheet. Click the tab Balance Sheet. Again, the balance sheet defaults to the current year. Notice that some categories are already listed under assets, such as cash in bank and accounts receivable. Enter in numbers for these categories. Again, GrowthWheel Online informs whoever is entering the data that it will be visible to anyone else on the company team invited to the platform. Click the green Plus Asset button and select an asset category and add more financial numbers. Note how all assets are listed as uncategorized liabilities. Let's categorize them. Add in numbers under liabilities in the correct categories. Notice how the balance is calculated at the bottom of the screen. When finished, click the blue button to download the balance sheet. Click the tab Ratios. Notice how the ratios have been calculated based on the numbers added in Revenue, Profit, and Balance Sheet. Go through the financial numbers and check the descriptions by hovering over the I. Add numbers for minimum and ideal targets. Click the blue button to download a PDF with the ratios. Click the tab Funds Received. Click the plus Funds Received and add details about the funds. Now click Save. You can add a few more funds received. Click the blue button to download the Funds Received page. Click the tab Employees. Click Plus Year and add the current year and last year. Add the numbers of full-time, part-time, and temporary or seasonal employees for the year selected. Click the blue button to download the employee count page. Now click the blue button and download the full financial overview. Select from the list which pages you want to include in the PDF, and click Download. And now it's your turn to complete this online test drive.